12 पास जालें आतां सिस्टर्स तांकां अजुनूय परमिशन मेळना म्हणटा आनी आमकां हिंगसान नावेली वच म्हणटा. सो आय एम नॉट एबल टू गो टू नावेली. आय हॅव टू वेट फॉर द when they start.
That will be on Saturday.
That may be Saturday or Sunday, I don't know. Sister was saying maybe Monday.
Okay.
So that is also they are not sure. And it was not even announced on the paper. Vaccination second dose due by illo. Something violent litigation notice malo ha vaccination suspend kelmun because of election, municipality election. Then I called the concerned doctor. She said first they were informed to close down till further notice, and but now she is going to start, and she told me to wait. I'm waiting for the vaccination. Hope I will.
मोती डोंगरावर कोविडशिल्डचे इंजेक्शन घेवपाक सगळे सिनियर सिटीजन जमलेले आसा आनी हांगा येवन पळयता तर एक बोर्ड आसा ड्यू टू कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट वॅक्सिनेशन विल नॉट बी गिवन अनलेस एंड अंटील दे रिसीव फर्दर इंटिमेशन. Now my question to the government is, and to the election commissioner, what the hospital and the COVID vaccine has to do with the election code? People are dying in hundreds. Senior people were waiting in the hot sun for hours together, and there were not few people. Staff is willing to give. I really salute the staff because they made all of us sit in the. They were standing in the hot sun. They made us sit in the shadow. They just kept us chairs. All the arrangement was done. Doctors are willing, but the permission has to be taken from the election commission. What it has to do with the election commission? Is the election commission has some intention, some hidden intention? Do they want to give the certificate with the photograph of Mr. Modi? Is it because they are not prepared with those photographs on the certificates that they are postponing all these things? What about the people who are dying in thousands everywhere? What it has to do with the COVID shield injection? Senior people, they should have seen to it that the first vaccination is more important than the election. Instead of giving more importance to the senior citizen and to the people of Goa, and our election commissioner has given sent a notice saying that till further instructions, COVID shield injection will not be given. What it has to do with the election? So I condemn this in strong words. I express the feelings of all the senior citizens who are here and I really appreciate the job of the staff, of all the office people, doctors and sisters, and even the security people, because they have allowed us to come inside and sit. For a long time they did not. It's not a mistake of the security person because instructions were accordingly given. Notice was put on the board. If at all they had to send a notice or anything like that, they should have published in the papers, in all the local papers, dailies. Instead of doing that, they are making the people come from far off places. Here there are people from very far off places who have come to get this vaccination. The election commission is least bothered about the people. They are only bothered about the election. But first they should have seen that we get the senior citizen, and now since the age bar is also removed, all of them should get the vaccine. That is the first priority, not the election. Dr. Aira just called me. She is very sensitive to our problem, and she said that as soon as we get the permission, we will intimate you. Please write down each one of you, please note down your phone numbers, and we'll intimate you. So I'm really grateful to Dr. Aira. But what is the machinery, administrative machinery of the government is doing? BJP has totally failed as far as the curbing of COVID is concerned. We had given the memorandum to the Chief Minister also, asking him to seal the boundaries, asking him to go for the RT-PCR test. What is being done? He has not mentioned anything about RT-PCR test. He has not mentioned about any of those people also about whom we have written in the memorandum, that those who are coming from Kumbh Mela, they should be quarantined for 15 days. They are not concerned about the people of Goa. They are insensitive towards the problems of the people of Goa. And so I along with all the senior citizens, we really condemn this.